We think this is the right way.
It only took us 7 hours.
The elevation is playing a toll like we've never felt before. I've never seen views like this.
There's actually 3 rainbow mountains.
I'm so glad that we chose to come here over Vinicunca. Good morning. It's about 5:40 a.m. and we just woke up and got out of our hotel here about 2.5 hours outside of Cusco, and we still have a little bit over an hour to go to get to the entrance of what is known as the other rainbow mountain here in Peru, because what a lot of people know is Vinicunca, kind of the most iconic, famous rainbow mountain. What a lot of people don't know is there's kind of this other rainbow mountain not too far away with some different scenery, apparently a little bit easier hike as well.
A lot less people.
Yeah, and apparently a lot less people, which really attracted us, and we're really gonna find out, is it really worth even going? Are there less people? And this rainbow mountain is called
Palcoyo.
Palcoyo. So that's the one that we're going to, not Vinicunca, not at least on this trip, because if you've been following us, know that we just came from the rainbow mountain of Argentina, known as Onecal. So we're gonna be comparing Argentina's rainbow mountain to the rainbow mountain here in Peru and give you a final decision at the end. But man, as you can see, it's already super beautiful all around. We drove in the dark, so we're just now seeing this.
Yeah, there's beautiful mountains right in front of us.
Yeah, amazing. So we're super excited to go. As you can see, the sun's starting to rise, so let's get to it. So we just barely passed this sign right here, which we think is the right way. I mean, it says literally Palcoyo right on it. And we were driving actually from this way. You can kind of see it like on the road. So we were driving, drove right past it, kept going. And then on our way back, then you can kind of see it right here. So we think this is the right way. Let's find out. Oh my gosh, guys, look. So we were looking to the side of the road by the river, and look what we found. It's this little herd of llamas right by the river. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, there's some more down here. Look at that. And then all the way up. Oh my gosh, how incredible. This is magical. This is llama poop, but this river that you see behind me is the Red River, and beginning April and May is starting of the dry season in Peru, so it turns more of this brown color, even this kind of the clean regular watercolor. But in the earlier months during the rainy season, this river actually turns very deep kind of rusty red color, which actually comes from iron oxide runoff and is actually fed from the colored mountain. So as you're going to the Rainbow Mountain, you'll pass right by the river. If you're going during the rainy season, consider giving it a check out because it could be really red, but already ridiculously beautiful scenery. I don't know if you can kind of see some of the llamas behind. Try to get as close as I could without scaring them. A couple like approached me super close. Oh my gosh, it was so amazing, but amazing so far. We haven't even made it to the Rainbow Mountain. I'm gonna go meet back up with Allie. Let's go.
Arrived here at the base of our hike, and it only took us 7 hours since we left the hotel. It's never taken us this long for any destination.
Nope.
But we got lost, and also we could not resist stopping all the time. The views are amazing, the llamas.
There are so many llamas here. Like, you know, in the United States and like the Midwest or in the countryside, there's like a lot of cows. There's like triple the number of llamas here just walking around freely. I can't believe it. It was amazing, along with just the like rolling green hills, the colors, people here that we stopped, so nice, polite. It's
Oh,
It's been awesome
everyone's
so far.
smiley, so nice, and we haven't even started the hike to the mountain yet, and it's already been so worth it. I cannot say this enough. It's been beautiful.
Yeah, and to get in, it does cost. It's about what, like $3 or
$4.
$4 per person
Yes.
to enter with a conversion rate. And you do need to enter by 3 p.m. of course,
Yes.
which we got in here, I think by 1 p.m.
Yes.
Thankfully. And apparently, according to the manager here, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get to the viewpoint. So we'll see, and we'll see if we can keep hiking from there or whatever, but we're finally here. Oh my gosh, it's been amazing, so excited, finally. Let's go. Okay, so these beautiful little dogs here have been following us since the beginning of the trail. And just for perspective, right, there's Allie. Hi, Allie. And then we go all the way down here, and there. You see that over there? That's where we started. All the way up are these little puppies. We've just arrived at our second viewpoint, 16,000 feet above sea level, and it's absolutely spectacular, but oh my goodness, the elevation is playing a toll like we've never felt before. We have never, ever had this much difficulty hiking. I'm even having trouble speaking to you right now, so really make sure you prepare. Get some coca tea before, maybe honestly, do some exercises before. That's definitely gonna help. It is definitely worth it, even with the elevation sickness. I've never seen views like this. This is gorgeous, just expanse for miles and miles and miles. And you can even see some snow-capped mountains in the Andes in the distance that I wasn't expecting. So ridiculously beautiful the whole way, the entire day. It's amazing.
We arrived here at the top of Palcoyo
Yay!
mountain. We made it. I'm not gonna lie, it was tough. Oh my gosh, like it was a short hike, but it was not easy. At least for me, I felt so weak the whole way, but it was so worth it. And one thing for you to know is that there's actually 3 rainbow mountains when you come to Palcoyo. If you go to Vinicunca, which you can actually see it from here, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, pretty sure Vinicunca is like literally,
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it right over there in the distance.
The little peak, yeah. But if you come here, you actually have 3 rainbow mountains. So you can take your pick. And
Yeah, the first one's right over here.
Yes.
The other one is where, right?
over there.
Over there, kind of see? And then the last one,
It's toward the beginning. The
Yeah.
sun's already set, so it looks a little bit darker. But oh my gosh, love it. Seriously, I'm so glad that we came.
yeah, and also, because a big question a lot of people had is like, is it actually colorful? It's very colorful. People were using the word vibrant. It's not vibrant. It's dull, but colorful, if that
It's
makes
kind of
sense.
like desaturated, but it's so
Yeah.
beautiful.
Oh,
the different
it's gorgeous, it's colorful, it's
Yes.
earthy and kind of like dull in that regard. I think a lot of people online will kind of color correct it to make it look
Yes.
really vibrant, but still,
Oh my gosh.
I'm blown away by just, like, I kind of thought it would just kind of be like, you pull up, walk a little bit, there's the Rainbow Mountain, then you leave.
Yeah.
The whole journey here
That
to
was
the parking lot, and then through the trails here, sorry, I can't even talk because I'm so cold, was gorgeous. It was amazing. So like, the whole experience was better.
Yeah.
All the people we met all along the way were so wonderful, kind, smiling, always waving, really, really amazing. So definitely, I'm so glad that we chose to come here
Me
over
too.
Vinicunca.
Me too.
By far,
And
I'm so
barely
glad.
anyone. We barely saw anyone. It was crazy. And today is a Saturday. We thought it was gonna be way more crowded.
It was insane. There was like, by the way, by the time we got here, we were the only ones here.
Yeah.
All along the way, there's like I don't know, like 20 people total.
At most.
Where at Vinicunca, what, like dozens and dozens at any given time, from what we've heard from friends that were just there last weekend.
I would say that this would be a better option because it's easier to hike, even though it was tough. The other one, Vinicunca, is a lot tougher.
I can't even imagine.
Yes, and everything that you get along the way. I'm repeating myself, but it was just so beautiful, so worth it. So I would choose this one if you had to choose just one of the two.
And even though our adventure ends here at the Rainbow Mountain today, tomorrow we'll be exploring some ancient ruins, sampling some prehistoric salt, yum, 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 and we'll be possibly seeing some UFO sightings. Ooh. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button on your screen because that'll be coming very, very soon. We'll link that in the description along with everything else. And as always, thank you so much. We hope you loved the adventure today. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button, comment with any questions that you have or comments for other travelers. And we'd love to have you along more adventures through Peru, Argentina, Brazil, and all over the world. So as always, thank you so much for watching. God bless. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.